Hi everyone, SG Diagnostics here. We have a 2007 Ford Transit 2.4 tdci. Customer complaint is the powertrain control light is on. As you can see, focus. So that light is on, and also the van won't rev up once it gets warm. So I'm just going to demonstrate exactly what happens. So that's my limit. Anything below that, it's fine. So we're just going to put the Zeus on this now and just scan it for codes. So Zeus is already hooked up. We'll go check our codes. So we have a P0089-7A fuel pressure regulator performance, and a P116E-00 fuel pressure relief valve activated. What happened there? So next thing I just got to check is a bit of live data. The vehicle is running. Now I've already picked a few PIDs, so it's going to be preset. Right, so we've accelerator pedal, crankshaft, reference voltage status, rail pressure, suction control valve milliamps, cam crank synchronization, engine speed, fuel rail pressure desired, and suction control valve duty cycle. So we're just going to check our rail pressure and our crank synchronization, our engine RPM, and sure we could do to manage. Right, so idling, our fuel pressure is thereabouts. It's a bit up and down, so I may have a problem with fuel, but I don't think it's causing this issue to cut out, like it's cutting out. Engine speed there. So we're just going to watch our cam and crank at the moment, just to see if that says no at any stage of our revving. So we've gone, our miss has came into it. Our miss has now came into it. And as you can see, we're getting our cam and crank synchronization saying no. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. So I now think our next protocol is just to check the cam and crank signal with the scope, just to see have we got dropouts. I'm assuming we have a dropout in the crankshaft sensor. Just ran a cam and crank sync on the scope. As you can see, here we have, you can see my pointer, here we have our crankshaft reference mark, and just after that then here's our dropout. So this is where our problem has begun. So our next investigation now is it a crankshaft sensor